Term versus permanent. And when I first started, this is how it was explained to me to resonate what it is. Term is like renting or leasing an apartment, and permanent is like buying a house. Okay, so you don't own the apartment, you're just keeping that apartment for the term of that lease. So if I signed a 10-year lease, that's my apartment for 10 years, or I'm obligated to that, so to speak, for 10 years. But at the end of those 10 years, I don't have it. I may have to find another place to live or what have you. So it's term insurance is for that designated time period, whether it's a 10-year term, 15-year, 20-year, 30-year, whatever it is. When that term is done, I no longer have that insurance. There are some convertibility privileges depending on carrier and some stipulations. Permanent is right out of the gate, I bought my house. So that's my house. No matter if it's 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, it's still my house.
So your premiums are your mortgage.
My premiums are my mortgage, and if I did a 20-year mortgage, so to speak, that's maybe I've got my house paid off in 20 years. Maybe I signed a lifetime mortgage, which I'd never heard of, but in other words, permanent is going to stay with me till the end of time, typically. So permanent insurance can be in the form of universal life, okay, that we do with John Hancock. It could be in the form of whole life. Even final expense is considered permanent insurance. Then we also have different other types of whole life. We have guaranteed universal life that's really popular, but those are permanent plans. They will last me till the end of time if done correctly. Mm-hmm. Term will not. Typically, term is cheaper and it covers a need that I need a lot of insurance for, whether it's mortgage, income replacement. I want to make sure my kids are taken care of. If I die prematurely, that their college education's taken care of, that all kinds of things. It's more affordable. Permanent, on the other hand, kind of solves a major problem or issue, or maybe it's done later in life where it might involve estate taxes, or it just might involve my legacy of what I want to provide for my family. Even though they don't necessarily need that death benefit, you know, like because of my income replacement at that point, they're on their own. Still nice piece of the puzzle for most people.